Hi students, what we learned in the last class? Occasion, right? Yes, we learn about the author Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is a renowned author and also he write the Indian literature figures in all times, right? Okay, then he was born on 7 May 1861 in Kolkata and he was a poet, author, songwriter, painter and also a sculptor, right? Okay, next he reshaped the Bengali literature and also music, and his works are translated into different languages. His works means his books are translated into different languages. He was awarded the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize in which year? 1913 for collection of the poem Geetanjali. Okay, what we learn in the poem? Yes, one boy is there. He is going to school. At that time he saw a who? Yes, bangle seller. He is saying crystal bangles, like that he is selling and going, but there is no place to him, no time to him. Wherever he want he can go, whenever he want he can go. Yes, like that he is doing. So he think that the child think that he want to become a bangle seller, and next one he want to become a gardener. Why? After finishing the school he is coming to the house. At that time he is seeing one gardener is there digging the ground. Yes, digging the garden. He doesn't see here and there and do his work. He can freely doing his work. So this child also want to become a gardener. And then what he want to become? Yes, watchman. Yes, in the night time he is going to sleep. At that bedtime he is on the bed. Through the window he is watching. There is a watchman. He is going up, coming down, and full day night he is not sleeping. So that he want to become a watchman. First he want to become a bangle seller. Next he want to become a gardener. And then at the last he want to become a watchman. Okay, from for this poem we are going to learn the question answer. Okay, first question, why does the child want to become a bangle seller? Yes, at first he want to become a bangle seller. Why he want? The child wants to become a bangle seller because the reason is, for him the bangle seller symbolizes freedom. Yes, he is free. He has no time, he has no place. Wherever he want, he can go. When he want, he can go. Yes, there is no time, no place. So he want to become a bangle seller. And also he is freedomly. He can go everywhere. Free. Yes, independently he can go everywhere. The child is drawn to the fact that the bangle seller does not have to live by a particular schedule every single day. If there is a day, a single day, he not plan. Yes, he not make a schedule. Today morning we want to go there. Afternoon he want to go there. And evening time we want to go this place. And this time we want to do this. Like this he has no schedule. So he want to become that child want to become a bangle seller. And now he does not have to stay rooted on the same spot and has the privilege to go anywhere he wishes to, with nothing to stop him from doing so. Where he want he can go. This place only I want to go, like that he didn't think. Yes, he didn't think. Whenever and where he want to go he can go. He is an independent person. So this child also want to become like a independent person, like a bangle seller. Okay, let me move on to the second question. What would the child do if he were a gardener? First he want to become a bangle seller. Next he want to become a gardener. Yes, why he want to become a gardener? What would the child do if he were a gardener? If the child would be a gardener means what he can do. Yes, answer, if the child were a gardener he would keep digging the garden with nobody to stop him or hurry him. without anybody's irritating or anything doing to him. He can not worry about anything, and he just dig the garden. What deep he want to means also he can dig in the garden, and also no hurry. No one can hurry him. Fast, make it fast. Do it and come and do the next thing, like that nobody is saying. He is independently doing his digging process. Yes, so the child want to become a gardener. Next, third question. What does the child like the most about the watchman's job? In the watchman's job, the child is lying on the bed and seeing through the window. The watchman is going up and down and rounding the street and everything, right? In the night time he is doing something. So the child what he likes in the watchman job. Now we are going to see. As evening falls and the child's mother puts him to sleep, the child finds the watchman's job quite fascinating. Okay, fascinating. As evening falls means evening completed. After the evening, what is there? Yes, night. During the night time, the child's mother puts him to sleep. Yes, in the night time, what we can do? Sleep, right? In the night time, the child is going to sleep. He is lying in the bed. The child finds the watchman's job quite fascinating. He is watching that watchman. He is just freely, he can walk here and there, up and down. Yes, that fashion, that thing he likes. So he want to become a watchman. And next one, for the child, the best thing about a watchman's job is that he never sleeps and keeps walking up and down the street, swinging his lantern and chasing shadows away. Okay, for the child, for this child, the best thing, the watchman do this thing, so I want to become a watchman. The best thing is about a watchman job is that he never sleeps. Why the child like that watchman job? Because the watchman never sleep. Yes, we also in the daytime fully we are sleeping during this lockdown, right? Yes, fully sleeping, and in the night time we are fully waking and doing something in our house, right? Like this, watchman means he cannot sleep and go around the house, right? Yes, and keeps walking up and down. Yes, going up and coming down and watching all over the house. Yes, so this child like the watchman job. And street swinging his lantern. Lantern already we learned. Lantern means vilakku. Yes, he has one lamp in his hand. And going and chasing shadows away. Shadows away means if we walk with the lamp means we see the shadow in the earth, right, in the floor. He is chasing, just he is playing with that shadow. Yes, so this child want to become a watchman. At first the child want to become a bangle seller, then he want to become a gardener, then he want to become a what? Yes, watchman. Okay, okay, let me see the fourth question. Fourth question, what does the child compare the street lamp to? How the child is comparing the street lamp? Yes, the child compare the street lamp as red color and also what? Yes, one head, like that he compare in the poem, right? Yes. Now the child compares the street lamp to a giant. Giant means big, huge. Okay, with one red eye on its head. Red color eye in the lamp head. Like this, the child is describing the what? Lamp. Describing the lamp as the red head with one eye. Yes, next, street lamps are usually long and give out a glowing light at night. Yes, in the street light. Did you see the street light? Yes, how it can in the street one after the other leave some gap and there is a light. Yes, if we walk through that street means the light are there, so we can walk easily. So there is no dark, we can move easily. Yes, with the street lamp we can move. We can able to walk through the walk in the dark, right? Yes. Usually long, it is very long and give out a glowing light. It give brightness in the night time, yes, at night, and hence the child's vivid imagination made him think of the street light as a giant, and the child is thinking the light means it is very big, it is huge, it is giant, like that he is thinking. He describes the lamp as a red light, red color light with one eye, and also it is a big thing, like that he is thinking. And fifth question, why is the poem titled Vocation? Vocation already we saw. Vocation means profession, we can say career, we can say next what we can say, job. Yes. Why this poem is titled as Vocation? Why? Which means that child want to become a, that boy want to become a what? First he want to become a bangle seller, it is also a job. And also you want to become a gardener in the second, yes, it is also a job. And the third thing he want to become a watchman, it is also a job. These three are denoted the job, yes. So the poem is titled as the Vocation. Okay, let me see the answer. The poem is titled Vocation as it shows the glimpse of the professions, yes, the various, yes, types of profession, glance about the profession. Glimpse means glance. Glance means just we can go through for the exam, right? Glance means we can not learn the full thing, just go through, yes. We can know about these three types of jobs, three types of profession through this poem, yes. So glimpse of the profession of what professions here, glimpse here, yes, gardener, yes. Next the bangle seller, you want to become a bangle seller, and the watchman. Three jobs are glimpse here. Glimpse means glance, we can know about that three jobs. Okay, now, and it could also have been titled so as to reflect the desires of the child to pursue each of these vocations. These three three jobs are very freedomly we can do, independently we can do. So he think that we can do this. I like this job. I want to become a bangle seller. I want to become a gardener. I want to become a watchman. Like this, he can think. Why means? Because it is very free. He can do what he think, not want to depend others. So he choose these three jobs. Okay. Okay. I hope you understand these 5 questions, students. Okay. This is your homework today. You learn these 5 questions and write. Okay. Thank you.